In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make $80 per day with Maxbounty and Facebook ads step by step in 2019. I'm basically going to be going over account setup, offer selection, landing page creation, campaign setup, and then at the end of all my videos, I always do a recap of everything we learned. So it's going to be a very value-packed video, and you should watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And if you want to learn how to do CPA marketing, affiliate marketing with clickbank offers and things like that full-time, you can go check out my elite course, first link in the description down below, and subscribe to the channel right now and click the bell icon to be notified when I release my next video. Now without further ado, let's get straight into this training. Alright y'all, so first things first is actually getting a Maxbounty account, because you can't promote Maxbounty offers without having an account set up. So what you would do is just come over to maxbounty.com, click on affiliates. They should bring you to a page like this, and from there you just click on become an affiliate, and what you have to do is just fill out these basic 6 steps, and you can get your account set up all in probably 10 minutes, I would say. What you could do is actually, if you want to know what to say on the application, you can just go watch my how to get approved on Maxbounty in 24 hours or less video. Been getting tons and tons of testimonials ever since I uploaded that video. All you gotta do is just literally search Maxbounty approval, and you will see my video. And what you can do is just replicate what I have inside the video. Don't copy it word for word, just replicate it. You should get your account set up in about a good 24 hours. So after you got that situated, like I said, to speed up this video, I already got an offer selected that we're gonna use for the rest of this tutorial, which is the Tinnitus 911. You can promote it in the US, Canada, Australia, and the UK, almost all the tier 1 countries. It's only missing New Zealand. All the offers that I'm checking out, always check out the description to make sure I'm within the guidelines and I'm promoting on Facebook. So as you can see, they do allow social traffic, 50 actions per day. So if you send in 50 leads, that's making $4,000 per day just initially at its cap. Got the same 4 countries right here. They got a network EPC of 44 cents. You can actually check out the landing page. So we can do that. This is the landing page right here. The only thing I don't like about this landing page is it's just super long. Other than that, it's clean, easy to navigate. You see how long it is right now. A lot of people don't have an attention span. That's the only bad thing I can really say about this. You got your call to action buttons right here. But you scroll back up to the top. See, that takes way too long. Way too long. I don't know. Maybe older people like stuff like this. But as you can see right here, targeting tips, they even give you users age 55 plus. So we can keep that in our notes. Male, female, converts on completed sale. Minimum price $70. Okay, no direct to checkout. Users can buy this tinnitus supplement to treat their illness. I'm tripping. But no brand building allowed, and we ain't gonna worry about that. We only doing social media, and since we got the offer selected, we can actually go over to the landing page creation. What I want to do is actually show y'all how I would find campaigns like this in general. What I do is just come over to search campaigns, click on search options. I like to deselect everything except for social. So let me show y'all categories I like to run in. E-com. Let's see. Email submits, free stuff. I haven't really played with gaming, but I heard people have success with that. Sweepstakes, surveys is good, but say for instance you want to do e-com. I always like to do mobile optimized because a lot of social media traffic, if not majority of it, 80% of traffic is coming from mobile devices. So you want to be getting, you want to be promoting offers that allow mobile traffic and my approved offers, so you don't have to fill out an application to run it. CPA lead type, you can do per lead or percentage of sale. It really doesn't matter. And from there you can just click search. Normally first thing I do is just always click on EPC. The higher the EPC, the higher the offer converts. I mean, it's just a general rule of thumb. But you just pick out offers that's more familiar to you. I normally don't like to just pick offers where I literally have no clue about, because it's going to take me a lot of time to research. But as long as you got some type of familiar, y'all know the word I'm trying to say. As long as you got, as long as you're familiar with the niche, you'll be good, and you can start promoting those offers. But like I said, we already got the offers selected. So let me go back. Boom. And let me show y'all the landing page I made for this offer. Let me show y'all the actual preview. Secret revealed. Learn how to finally quiet your mind, improve your hearing, and boost your memory today. 100% natural tinnitus solution the world's been begging for. And when they click on the button or the picture, it goes straight to the offer landing page, which is right here. And how I came up with this, I literally just stole this image off the landing page. Click here for relief. I made that myself, obviously. Learn how to finally, I got this from, where is that? Learn how to finally quiet your mind. It was somewhere on this page I got that part from. Then I added in the 100% natural tinnitus solution the world's been begging for. Very, very simple stuff, man. I added in my compliance template for Facebook, the terms and the privacy. I literally just copied it off of the offer landing page. You go all the way to the bottom. Let me show y'all. All the way. Boom. Terms and conditions, privacy policy. You don't have to make it yourself. I've been doing this for years, so literally you can just copy their privacy and their terms and conditions, and you'll be good to go. Remind me if I forget to leave the compliance template in the description for those of you that always ask. But if you want this, if you want this landing page, you can pick it up in the description. You should see something like get this landing page mentioned in the video for free. You just click on that, import it into your ClickFunnels account, you'll be good to go. If you don't have ClickFunnels, it'll just prompt you to start your 14-day free trial, and it'll automatically be in there. And all you literally have to do once you import it is just swap out these links for your affiliate link. Simple as that. So yeah, man, once we pretty much got the landing page set up, we can actually go to campaign creation over in the ads manager. Once you're here, all you do is just click on create. We can name this campaign tinnitus. Traffic, we can go with that. I like to take off campaign budget optimization. Ad set name, I'll just leave it whatever for now, and I'll update it as I go along. Save to draft. I normally don't mess with anything. I literally just click on the campaign name after that. Asset, click on edit. Let's let it load. Budget literally depends on you. As long as you can run at least $10 a day to campaigns like this, you'll be good to go. Now, for me personally, I'm at least doing $20 or $30 a day, just because I get the results faster and get the data and be able to optimize quicker instead of $5 or $10 that take forever. So I just leave it at $20. United States, the offer on the offer description it said United States, Canada, UK, and Australia, I believe. Yep. So we can actually throw that in there. United Kingdom. Boom. Canada. Now a lot of people teach, create separate assets for each country so you can know which one is which. But just to see if the offer converts, I always just kind of just go broad with everything because I don't want to just go all crazy with something that's not even gonna work. So let me see. Australia, obviously can't spell. Australia, I think that's it right here. All right, boom, got it. Now let's see. We got to reach 310 million. Of course, we about to knock this down. They did say on the offer page it converts both male and female, 55 plus. So let's narrow this down. Boom. English all. See where we at now. Now we got 67 million. And right off the gate, I just type in tinnitus. Let's see where we at now. 610,000. I would actually just run this. To be honest, 610,000 is a perfect reach for me to run. And placement, what I do is split test. I probably create two assets. One at $10 targeting mobile newsfeed, and the other one $10 at desktop because with offers like this is normally targeted towards older people, and I know a lot of older people is on their desktop more than their phone. But you never know. Some niches they might be on their phone more than they desktop. So what you can do is deselect everything, and boom. Now if we was targeting just desktop, it'll be 160,000. Let's see if we targeted just mobile now. Let's see. Deselect everything. Another thing you can do is run Instagram too, just to see, because you never really know until you test. So we deselect everything again. They should make this more convenient. This is literally like stressing me out sometimes when I'm deselecting everything. It'd be so many. But now we got 580,000. So like I said, it's just be a split test, man. We scroll down. I normally don't mess with anything after that. And from there, we can name the ad set. We can do 55 plus, male, female, tier 1 for the countries. Well, it's not all the tier 1 countries, but y'all know what I mean. Tier 1, we could do mobile newsfeed. And when you create your second ad set, you will literally just replace this for desktop. Simple as that. Let me see, am I missing something? Nope. So now what we could do is go over to the ad creation. Scroll down. Boom. Now I got my fan page selected. Tonight is Relief. I made that not too long ago. Now we can create an ad. Now to speed up this video, I already made an ad. You know, that I already made myself. So all I want to do is just paste it here and get right back with y'all. All right, y'all. So I imported my ad copy. As you can see, tired of the constant ringing. I threw a couple emojis on there. Now for my emoji plug, I use emojipedia.org, and from there you just search every emoji that you can think of or that you want to use. Here's a better view of it. Learn how to finally quiet your mind, improve your hearing, and boost your memory today. Click here for relief. So let's go on the ad so you can see. Click here for relief, and I got limited time only. And always, before you publish your ads, you always want to make sure you preview the URL to make sure it's going there. And click on your call to action buttons to make sure it's going to your affiliate link so you're not wasting money. And that's pretty much that, man. Let me see. Oh, another thing too, creating your ads and stuff like that, just make sure everything is congruent. So when they go from the ad to your landing page to the offer, they feel like they're in the right place. Make sure the colors is similar to the offer, if not the same exact. The font, the pictures, like all that little stuff really does make a difference. Because you think about it, imagine you going from an ad that's saying how to finally quiet your mind, improve your whatever the case may be. And then they get here, it's a whole different thing. The colors is completely different from the bridge page and the offer page. And they like, oh, I'm in the wrong place. I feel like I'm getting scammed. Boom, you just missed out on some money. So just keep everything congruent for higher conversions and things like that. But that's pretty much this tutorial, man. Like I said, what you could do is, you can set up a news feed, a mobile news feed, a desktop news feed. You can test out Instagram, new interests, things like that. In my elite course, I go over how to get like super detailed into the interest targeting, things like that. So you don't really run out of ideas. Oh, and for the image, all I did was literally just search Google for tinnitus ringing, and I found this and went to canva.com. Similar to Photoshop, literally all I did was just add a red border to it to make it stand out. And this is something that you can actually just go and use. It's a done few campaign you can go use today and get up and running. And I did see another YouTuber, or whatever you want to call it. I think they was promoting the same exact offer and made a video about it before. But ain't nothing like hearing it from two different people, two different sides of the thing. You know what I mean? And oh yeah, another thing you can do is just split test it between multiple tinnitus images. So you might can go with an image like this, a cartoon one, a lady, an old guy, things like that. Just keep split testing. It's really all that comes down to. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I know I reply to everybody. If you want to learn how to do this stuff full time, with CPA marketing, Maxbounty, ClickBank, affiliate marketing in general, definitely recommend you go check out my elite course. First link in the description or in the comment section down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to be notified and click the bell icon to be notified when I release my next video. That's all I got for this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.